Have you ever wondered how to complete a Michigan Notary Jurat? Well, I'm Valita Falk, and today I will break it down into simple, easy to follow steps. So whether you're a seasoned notary or brand new, this guide will make the process clear and straightforward. First things first, you need to understand what a Notary Jurat is. A jurat is a written statement by a notary public that certifies a person has sworn an oath regarding the truth of a document's contents. In essence, a jurat is the notary's guarantee that the person signing the document is who they say they are and that they mean what they say in the document, nothing more. Please note that the jurat does not guarantee the truthfulness of the document itself. It only guarantees that the person signing was identified by the notary and that the person signing is stating that the content of the document is true. Now, on to the process. The first step is to locate notarial language in the document. The language subscribed and sworn before me defines the notarial act as a jurat. Secondly, you'll need to verify the identity of the person signing the document. In Michigan, acceptable forms of ID include a state-issued driver's license, a U.S. passport, or a military ID. Remember, the ID must be current. Once you've verified the identity of the signer, it's time for the signer to take an oath or affirmation. This is a critical step in the process because if the jurat is ever questioned, a good attorney will ask the signer if you administered an oath. If it is found that you failed to do so, the notarization could be deemed invalid. The signer must swear or affirm that the statements in the document are true. You will have the signer to raise their right hand. The significance of raising the right hand is to compel honesty. At this time, you will ask the signer, "Do you solemnly swear or attest to the truthfulness of the contents of the document you are signing today?" They should respond yes or "I do." Next, the signer will sign the document in your presence. Keep in mind, the signer must sign the document after taking the oath or affirmation, and they must do so without leaving your sight. Once the document is signed, it's time for you to complete the jurat. This involves several key pieces of information: your signature, the date, the county where the notarization took place, and your notary commission expiration date. And finally, the last two steps are to affix or stamp your notary seal next to or below your signature and to complete your journal entry. So there you have it, a step-by-step guide to completing a Michigan Notary Jurat. From identifying the notarial language in the document, through verifying the identity of the signer, administering the oath or affirmation, witnessing the signing, completing the jurat, affixing your notary seal, and finally completing your journal entry. You now have the knowledge to navigate this process with confidence and ease. Remember, as a notary, your role is crucial in maintaining the integrity of important documents and transactions. So take these responsibilities seriously and ensure each step is completed with the utmost care. For information on in-person training, visit www.gatewaynpd.com. Happy signing!